Tomorrow is Dad's birthday. Oh no, I don't have a gift. A tie? A book? No, I want something special. Dad is kind. Dad helps us.
We need a big surprise. Let's have a party.
A secret party for Dad. Look at this, Mia. These are nice, but it is not enough. We can make a cake. Aw. Yeah. Ah! Oh, this is hard. The cake looks funny.
What are you two doing?
It is a secret, Mom. Ah!
Dad will love your gift.
But we need a better idea.
This soup is very good.
Dad, what do you like most?
I like the stars.
And tonight we see every single star.
The stars?
Yes, Mia, all of them.
When I was little, I watched the stars with my dad. Wow, it is beautiful.
The stars make me feel happy.
Mia, I know. Atsa, me too. Let's make a star room for Dad. Dad likes stars. Dad will smile. Oh no. They keep falling. Our stars are not staying.
We can use these.
Look at our stars. This one is for Dad. This is our message. You are our star, Dad. Be quiet. Dad is coming. Ready, Mia? Ready!
Wow, what is this?
Happy birthday, Dad!
For me?
This star is for you, Dad.
Thank you. I love it.
Make a wish, Dad.
My wish is here already.
Dad likes the stars. And we like Dad. Dad.
This is the best birthday ever.
We love you, Dad.